It's been 2 years, 8 months, and a day, walking around in New York in the rain. And right now I'm a walking cliche. It's been 2 years, 8 months, nothing's changed. I'm out here trying to love somebody. I tell myself I'm doing well, but every time I think about you, it still hurts like hell. Where'd you meet? Where's he from? What's his name? Does he touch? Does he love you the same? And I know I'm a walking cliche. It's been 2 years, 8 months, nothing's changed. I'm out here trying to love somebody. I tell myself I'm doing well, but every time I think about you, it still hurts like hell. By now you're probably loving somebody. By now you're probably doing well, but every time I think about you, it still hurts like hell. It still hurts like hell. It still hurts like hell. I close my eyes, you're here in my mind. Close my eyes, you're here for a while. I'm out here trying to love somebody. I'm out here all by myself, and every time I think about you, it still hurts like hell. By now you're probably loving somebody. By now you're probably doing well, but every time I think about you, it still hurts like hell. It still hurts like hell. It still hurts like hell. I choose me, and I know that's selfish love. You are a dream, and I can't thank you enough. But I give a little piece of me away every waking day that I'm with you. Am I a monster? When will your family think of me? They brought me in, they held me out with everything, but I give a little piece of me away every single day. So I pick up the pieces, I get on the midnight train. I got my reasons, but darling, I can't explain. I'll always love you, but tonight's the day that so much that I have to let you go. I'll miss your touch and the secrets we both know, but it would be wrong for me to stay, and I'll just give you hope. So I pick up the pieces, I get on the midnight train. I got my reasons, but darling, I can't explain. I'll always love you, but tonight's the day to choose to walk away. I can't stop crying, I hate that of course you pay, but I can't deny it, I just don't feel the same. I'll always love you, but tonight's the day to choose to walk away. Oh, so I pick up the pieces, get on the midnight train. I got my reasons, but darling, I can't explain. I'll always love you, but tonight's the day that you